US President Donald Trump is once again sending mixed signals, this time over India, China, and the Ukraine war. On one hand, Trump calls Prime Minister Narendra Modi his very good friend, praising the India US partnership and expressing confidence in resolving trade disputes. Modi too echoed optimism, saying talks would unlock the limitless potential of bilateral ties. But on the other hand, Trump is pushing the European Union to join the United States in slapping tariffs of up to 100% on India and China, two of the biggest importers of Russian crude oil. His argument: choke off Moscow's oil revenue and force Vladimir Putin to the table. This comes even as Washington itself profits the most from the conflict. According to the Observer Research Foundation, global defense spending soared to $2.7 trillion in 2024, the sharpest annual rise since the Cold War. And America's defense industry has been the biggest winner. Between 2020 and 2024, the US supplied 45% of Ukraine's arms imports, while its own arms exports jumped by more than 20% globally. Lockheed Martin, Boeing, and other US giants are ranking in billions as NATO allies scramble to replenish stockpiles and fund new packages for Kiev. In fact, from 2024 onwards, Washington shifted from aid to sales, turning the war into a business model. So while Trump threatens punitive tariffs on India for buying discounted Russian oil, the reality is that America itself is cashing in on the war more than anyone else. A smiling Trump may say Modi is a great friend, but his double standards reveal a different truth. When it comes to Ukraine, war has become business, and the biggest profits are flowing straight into America's defense industrial complex. Vishoric Shaha, Bureau Report, India Today Global.